Hi guys, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your engine cover from your 2.5 liter Volkswagen. So this is actually a pretty simple job. You really don't need too many tools. All you need is a set of pliers or channel locks and a T20 Torx bit. So with that, you'll be able to get this bad boy off. You could change your air filter and access stuff that's inside the engine under the cover. So before you could actually take your plastic engine cover off, there are a couple things you have to disconnect. You have to disconnect this sensor right here, this sensor right here, unscrew this intake duct right here, and also remove this clamp right here. So I'm going to take you through those steps and then show you how to get the actual plastic engine cover itself off. So this sensor here is actually pretty simple to get off. There's a little tab right here that is basically a lever, and you just have to push that, which will unhook it, and then you can just pull it straight out and it'll come free. The next sensor here actually comes off very similar to this first one if it's not broken. The first time I attempted to take this off, I didn't know that it was this easy, so I did break it. But there should be a little lever here, and all you have to do is press down on the sensor, push the lever, and then lift the sensor right up. Obviously I don't have that, so I'm going to use the screwdriver to get it off. So the next thing you have to do is remove this hose clamp here. I like to use pliers or channel locks to do it. And all you have to do is get on here and compress the clamp, which actually makes the diameter bigger. So it could slide off the pipe and just move it this way a little bit and release. Once the clamp's off, you do have to remove this duct right here. And to do that, just simply work it back like this and pop it off. And this way when you go to lift the cover off, that duct won't hold you up. You also have to remove two screws here that are part of the intake ducting that hold it in place. There's one right here and one on the other side, and to remove that you'll need a T20 Torx bit. So you could just go ahead and turn those out. Like I said, not in a great place, and the T20 Torx bits aren't super common, so you might have to look for one, but this is a pretty good place to disconnect this ducting and get it off. And then once that's off there, you could just slide this right out of place, and you're pretty much good to go to remove the cover. So now everything's removed and you're good to remove the cover from the car. So this cover is held on by grommets that the cover literally presses down onto. So all you have to do is pop those off. That could be easier said than done because they're rubber and sometimes they stick to the cover itself. But there's one in each corner. All you have to do is literally lift it up and it'll pop. As you can see, that came off there. This back one is a little bit tricky, but that's off. And this one over here also just pops off. And then you should be able to just adjust your cover, manipulate it a little bit here, maybe, and just pull it out. And that there is an engine. So now your cover's off. It's really not too bad. One last thing that I do want to show is these are the grommets that the cover pops into. That's what they look like in the engine. And then down here, this is what it looks like on the engine cover. And you might want to grease those with something like a silicone grease once you pop your cover off, and that'll make it easier to come off in the future. And it's really helpful if you're going to be taking your cover off a lot or if it was really stuck the first time. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. With one of these covers off, like I said, you could access your air filter, which is inside the cover, and access all components of your engine that are under the cover. If you have any questions or comments about the video, feel free to leave them below. Subscribe for more, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.